Hey everyone! Y'all know how much I love bringing life to a space, and these days, that includes our backyard. There's something so special about having fresh eggs right from your own chickens. You want chickens that are friendly, easy to handle, and just a joy to have around. That's what we're diving into today. The friendliest chicken breeds that are perfect for beginners. First up, we have the buff Orpington, and let me tell you, these chickens are like the golden retrievers of the chicken world. They are known for their calm and docile nature. Just the sweetest things. They're fantastic egg layers, so you'll have a steady supply of those farm-fresh eggs. They're just so approachable, even for first-time chicken owners. Plus, they're quite happy just lounging around the backyard, so they're relatively low maintenance. Next, we have the Silkie, and oh my goodness, these chickens are just the cutest. They're like little fluffy teddy bears running around your backyard. Seriously, they're famous for their incredibly soft feathers that feel just like silk. They're actually known for being lap chickens, content to just cuddle up and hang out. They're perfect for families with children because they're so gentle and docile. If you're looking for a pet-like chicken that will bring endless joy and entertainment, the Silkie is the one for you. Now, if you're looking for a breed that's been a favorite for generations, look no further than the Plymouth Rock, specifically the Barred Rock variety. These beauties have been gracing backyards for over 150 years, and for good reason. Plymouth Rocks are incredibly friendly and easygoing, making them an excellent choice for beginners. They're also incredibly social birds and get along well with other chickens, which is a big plus if you're planning on having a mixed flock. If you're looking for a friendly, reliable breed that's been a favorite for generations, the Plymouth Rock is a fantastic option. Let's talk about the Wyandotte, a chicken breed that's as beautiful as it is friendly. Seriously, their feather patterns are like little works of art. They come in a variety of colors, each one more stunning than the last. But don't let their good looks fool you. These chickens are also incredibly calm and easy to manage, making them ideal for new chicken keepers. Wyandottes are also known for being good egg layers, and their eggs come in a beautiful light brown color. If you're looking for a chicken that will add a touch of elegance to your backyard, while also being friendly, easy to care for, and a good egg layer, the Wyandotte is a perfect choice. Now, if you're looking for a breed that's known for its exceptional egg-laying abilities, let me introduce you to the Australorp. These chickens are like the superstar athletes of the egg-laying world. They're known for laying beautiful, large, brown eggs, and they can lay up to 300 eggs per year. But don't worry, they're not all business. Australorps are also incredibly gentle and friendly. If you're looking for a chicken that will provide your family with a steady supply of delicious, farm-fresh eggs, while also being a gentle and friendly companion, the Australorp is an excellent choice. Let's talk about the Sussex chicken, a breed that's as curious and adventurous as it is friendly. These chickens are always exploring, always getting into things, and they just love being around people. Sussex chickens are known for being great egg layers, and their eggs are a beautiful light brown color. They're highly adaptable and can thrive in both large and small backyards. If you're looking for a chicken that's going to be a fun, interactive addition to your backyard, the Sussex is a great option. Last but not least, we have the Cochin, a breed that's known for its large size and incredibly gentle nature. These chickens are like the gentle giants of the chicken world. They're big and fluffy, with feathers that cover their legs and feet, making them look like they're wearing feathery pants. Cochins are known for being incredibly friendly and docile, and they're especially good with children. They're not easily flustered and are happy to be held and petted. If you're looking for a chicken that's going to be a gentle giant in your backyard, the Cochin is an excellent choice. So, there you have it, folks. 7 of the friendliest chicken breeds that are perfect for beginners. Remember, when choosing chickens for your backyard, it's all about finding breeds that match your lifestyle and preferences. These gentle breeds are just the beginning of a wonderful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on backyard chicken keeping.